Dito na tayo sa saan ba? Tropicana ba to? Dinner kami, dinner. Tropicalye. Dito. Stretch. Jeff.
And that one? Thank you. You guys want to see your mom and dad? Near this?
Hindi ka masyadong
Do you guys go in the same Koi, what church do you go to? Drew Drive.
Ikaw na tita ka na magdadrive. Because it's golfers. Golfers
Just grew out. He had nice long hair, right? He said, turn around and rich. He goes, oh, long hair, nice. Who? I'm asked her to dance.
Who? Richard?
Rich. Yeah.
That was Richard.
That's what Ron. I don't know if that's true or not.
It's your choice, whatever.
What's that?
Your choice.
The
Yeah,
peanut
that's nice
sauce
hair, yeah.
I would use for the skewers and the wasabi aioli for the tempura green beans. But it's honestly to your preference. Okay.
Yeah, him and Glenn always had like
I smell it in your breath. Yeah. And then with two more. Yeah. So whatever they got there, you guys can just share it. With the calamari, and I don't know what else they got. No more.
Now you're okay?
Hey.
Now you're okay?
Like if you want to do nurse practitioner or all, yeah.
More detailed, man.
That's all we're looking for. Elvis. Elvis Presley. I thought before this. Amy Winehouse.
Multi-use. Yeah. I took a picture.
Yung mga bata sabi nila, sino yan?
Of course, this is how we make our kitchen.
Oh. It's Marilyn Monroe. Ooh. Yan o. Right?
Yeah, it's right here.
And you'll be the citizen for
33. I think we're all close by. I was hoping over here. This is where the main pole.
I know.
And then barbecues.
Okay naman.
Where the barbecue is actually.
Your passport there?
Or near my hotel, because
Not tonight. Pool. Okay, tara na sa ating room. Bukas na tayo mag-relax dyan. Alright. Dito na kami. Ha! We're here. Tired, Jel. Oh, may TV pa dito. So tired. Ay, kain na naman kami. Dinner. Spring. Gabi na.
Beer ba?
Beer ba?
Good morning. Already?
Yep.
Jeez Louise.
Mag-ihaw na tayo dyan.
Yeah, oo.
Barbecue.
Ihaw. Good.
Kind of.
Hey, pictures.
Na. Uy, nandito pa rin. Ano ako? Gym. Miss muna tayo. Mag-gym muna to. Mag-gym muna tayo. Saan yung car? Gusto ko ng shoes. Ang problema, saan nagpark sa Burnok? I think, check natin kung saan nagpark ng bahat si Leroy. Morning. Ganda ng ano. Yun. Yun. Last station. Workout muna. You're late. You're late. You're not. Okay, I'm done. Tapos ng workout. So, punta na tayo. Maliligo na tayo. Doon yung mga bata eh. Yung pool mamaya. Jordan, no? Lips. Ang pool. Ganda siya. Pool soft. 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Yun. So, balik na tayo sa room. Balik na tayo sa room para makapag-shower. Sinasabi ko na nga ba, Pilipina? Yan, taga saan po kayo?
Sa Tarlac.
Ilocano ka? Parehas na mag-ayam.
Dino kaya mo.
La Union.
Oh, La Union. Oh, kumusta?
Kita na di La Union. Ayun, si Ate Dominga. Ilocano din. Ilocano from Tarlac. Shout out kanya. Manang Dominga. Ikot muna tayo. Yun. Bundok-bundok. Ayan kami. Oh. Ayan o. That's Moose Sounds. Teka kain. We're dogs. Brain. They're humans.
Sa hash?
Oh, ito yung kanilang menu. Yun. Poke. Ito yung view namin from this restaurant, you know. Ako, black coffee na.
Sa hash? If you want American.
Alright. Okay. Where's the beer?
Gonna have beer, man.
Manila bowl.
Looks good.
Salad.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
It's like a senor. Do it, dogs. Like this. Tapos ng kainan. Yun already.
Just want to grow my sides out. Here? Because I want it all even.
Okay, parking. Ayos. Tayo. Triumph. Dollars. Mga old na ano, gasoline ano, nalagyan. Old na helmet. Old na ano. Pero itong maganda oh. Ganda siya. Pero wag na. Na natin. $3.25 dito. So, walking. I can breathe. Tinext ko na.
Beautiful. I know, I saw that one.
You know
the one that
red
you...
thing?
This is cucumber, watermelon, I could pineapple.
Mga inom, lasing-lasing. Si Jeff, lasing. Wow, sarap. What do you have? Are you drinking, Jill?
Yeah. Virgin cocktail. We'll try it. There's no alcohol.
Really?
Yeah. Here. Oh wow.
Gama.
How many corn? I mean, how many tortillas do you get?
May joke. There's a joke. Okay, listen.
Recording it now.
Yeah. So what did you record it?
So why did the Filipino banana didn't want to go to work today?
Say it again.
Why did the Filipino bananas didn't want to go work today?
They don't want it. May joke. Let's joke.
Why did the Filipino banana didn't want to go work today?
Why?
Because they weren't feeling well.
You don't like it? Sorry. No.
They're not feeling well. Don't go to work if you're not.
Wow. That looks delicious. That's the bread. I need to leave it in there.
No, but you have to take it out. Here. Where's your plate? You have to have a plate.
Oh shit. Over here.
Ano kaya nakalagay dyan? Para mainit pa.
Hot.
Mga tayo ng wraps. Yan makakain. Bili tayo ng ano, machichicha. Yung mga poke. Wala yung solo. Yung solo lang siya. Pwede na ito siguro. Yeah. May rice naman. Tingnan tayo doon. Mga chicken. Fresh. So, ito na lang kinuha natin. $10. Tapos yun. Okay. Ayos. Ay, may natira pa. Ayos. Ulit natin. Tayo dito. Katayan na tayo. Ayos.
You know, my wife's a nurse, so you know, like friends, family.
Para kay Mama Jim.
Hey, good morning, good morning. Tayo mag-gym. Pero daladala ko ang aking drone. At papalipad tayo. Mag-gym muna tayo. Tapos magpupul yun, oh. Ganda ng araw. Lakad muna tayo dito. May mga staff din sila dito. Ayun. Resting. Okay, let's go. Pupul naman tayo. Doon tayo mag swimming pool. Pool tayo 7 AM. Let's go. Oh, saka. Bang baby to. Close siya. Hey, let's go. Shower na tayo. Para makauwi na sila ng ano. Eric. Sure. Get my wallet. Really? So, may ihawan din. Oh, malinis yung ihawan dito. Ba? Bagong linis. Oh. Sarap. Ganda oh. Meron din dito na gusto mong umupo dito. Yan, tapos ihaw-ihaw kayo dyan. Yan. Tapos yun. Ikutin lang natin tong lugar. Yan lang. Malaki ang area. Mga itik. Ganda. Itik. Daming itik. Hey, they're playing golf. Birdie!
Eagle! Birdie! Oh, you guys know the words, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you what's the birdie is.
Practice. Before I take you guys to the course. Huh? You want to try? Yeah. You just make it a weekend and then...
Yeah, that'd be sick.
I don't know if Drew can come down though, but...
Oh my God!
Oh
my God!
Not easy, huh? There you go.
Jeff, I'm gonna show you how.
Yeah, Roy's gonna put your neck. What the heck?
You're Ah! Okay.
Oh man.
As Angel. Okay, kape muna tayo. Kape. Habang siya.
Yeah.
Dalichon. Uwi na. Uwi na manang. Wen. Naimbag nga aldaw. Naimbag nga aldaw. Itik. Yung sobrang beer, Corona, bag. Ewan ko may ilalim.
What's with that?
Go!
Nice and fresh now.
Hi. Sipor. Sige ba ng Lord? Save ko ba ng Lourdes ni Kamo tinang Vermont?
Had a good trip.
Thank you, Jeff.
All right, buddy.
Thank you.
Let's beat traffic, and then if you guys want to go eat later.
All right, bye-bye. Let's go home. May session pa yung dalawa. Okay, bundok ko. All right, okay, bye-bye.
You have to drive? No, you can always go.